right now to create our eBay store, and the first thing that we have to do is to create a Google Gmail account. Okay, Gmail is the email provider that I really recommend you guys to use. Okay, and I want you to create a new Gmail account because that should be only focused and used for this eBay business. All right, so the only thing you need to do, okay, let me just change the language here. Okay, so we just need to go to Google and from google.com, okay, we will be able to add a new account and then create a business account. Okay, so I want you to set your data here and your username, which can be products. Yeah, I'm just putting a weird name in order to make sure that I'm gonna have it. So yeah, because it may tell you that this name is already got by another person. So yeah, just want to make sure that you made a password, and we can click on next. Password at least 8 numbers long. Oh my god. Okay, let me change this to English so you can understand everything that's going on. Let's choose the name. Okay, and then we click on next, and it's gonna ask us, of course, for a telephone number. All right, so we have to set our telephone number here in order to receive a message. So we will set our telephone number, and then well, this is not really necessary, but yeah, you can set your what they need is for you to set a telephone number so you can confirm that by getting a message. So you will be receiving a message on your phone. You have to set the code that they send you, and then 06. Okay, and then once it's verified, yes, I mean, you don't need to opt in for this, just skip. You need to accept the terms of Google and create the account with that. And with that, you will be done, and you will have this new account. So let's go to Gmail, because I wanna, yes, no, not this one, but yes, this one that we just created. And I want you to create a new folder in your bookmarks in your here on your web browser, because in that way, eBay account, in that way you will have all the information that you need. For example, direct access to your new email address for whenever you have to take a look at it. Okay, so with that, we just pass to the next class, where we are going to create our PayPal account. In this class, we are going to create our PayPal account. You are going to need a PayPal account in order to sell on eBay. That's for sure. This is mandatory, okay? So you will need to create your PayPal account, and you will need to link it to your debit or credit card, okay? I will show you how to do it because it's very simple. The first thing that we have to do is just come to PayPal page and click on sign up here at the top in the right. Then we have to select for business account, click on next. Next thing that PayPal will do is asking us for our email address. We just have to set the email address that we just created in the last class, in the previous class. And in that way, click on continue, all right? In that way, PayPal should redirect us to here, okay? and it's asking, tell us about your business. All right, so we just have to set our legal first name, last name, legal business name, and our telephone number, our email, our address, okay, and our city, and our, and we will have to set up all this stuff, all these things, depending on the country that we are based on, okay. There are some just minimum countries like Pakistan, or I heard about that PayPal doesn't work in some little, very little countries. But if that's your case, well, I'm sorry about that, because in that way I don't know how you could sell on eBay. But for most of you, this will be no problem, and you will be able to create a PayPal account for sure. So click on continue after you set all your data. They will ask for describe your business. Well, your business can be like I would say a private corporation, or maybe just sole proprietor, something like that. So it can be products, dairy products, stores. Goods, households, and storage. I would say it can be durable goods, for example. No business URL is needed here, and statement name, well, I would say, something like that is nice. So after that, it will ask about your nationality, date of birth, and your home address, which can be the same as business address. And then you can click on submit to create the PayPal account. All right. So once it's done, you will have access to your to your PayPal account. And the first thing that I want you to do is to add your credit card or your debit card, because if not, you will not be able to sell on eBay. All right. So first thing that you have to do is click on My Money and write down here on where it says credit and debit cards and add a new card. Okay. So that's what you have to do. All right. You have to set a card number with a card number, card type, expiration date, and the security code, which is behind the credit card, and your billing address for this credit card. And I'll see you in the next class.